Good day everyone. Today we're discussing two of the most critical issues facing humanity, climate change and the energy crisis. These challenges are deeply intertwined driven largely by reliance of fossil fuels.
Climate change brings devastating impacts mula sa pagtataas ng global temperatures hanggang sa extreme weather events. Habang ang energy crisis naman ay nagpapakita ng kakulangan sa ating mga energy resources at hindi epektibong paggagamit nito. Both problems pose significant threats to ecosystems, economies, and human well-being.
These challenges also demand our immediate attention dahil nararamdaman natin ang epekto ng climate change at energy shortage sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. It's clear that we need to transition from short-term fix to long-term sustainable solution.
Demands innovative solutions, sustainable practice, and global cooperation. Let's delve into these pressing matters and explore potential solutions and sustainable future.
Inclusion addressing climate change and energy crisis requires immediate and collective action. Ang paglipat sa renewable energy ay hindi lang mahalaga para mabawasan ang epekto sa environment, kundi para rin masigurado ang energy security at economic stability.
It's a challenge but one that presents immense opportunity to create a cleaner, more equitable energy system. Despite technology, political, and economics hardest advancement in clean energy and international collaboration provide path forward.
The journey sustainability will require each of us to play a role, kabilang na ang pagsuporta sa renewable energy initiatives, paggamit ng greener habits, at pagtulak ng mga polisiya na inuuna ang kapaligiran. Together we can turn this crisis into opportunities for global progress.